Today I'm making cheesecake stuffed croissants with a pecan topping. First I'm going to make the pecan topping, so in a bowl I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Next add a half a cup of brown sugar. Then add 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. Next add a half a cup of chopped pecans. Then mix that up until everything is combined. Now in an 8x8 pan I have 4 croissants. I'm going to cut each croissant in half. Now I'm going to fill each croissant with this Philadelphia cheesecake no-bake filling. Next I'm going to add the pecan topping on top of each croissant and then place this in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Once the croissants were done, I added them to a plate and here's an up-close look.